to see you.
All right, now.
Yeah.
Party time.
Yeah.
Showtime, man. It's showtime.
There's people that want your beans, man.
Oh my gosh.
Your
Well,
stuff.
I'm looking forward to sharing the love, man.
Yeah, you only got 30 pounds of love, though.
Well, you know.
Well, you look good, man.
Huh?
You look good.
Thanks, man.
You got the little side smooth. What's up, man? I'm Q.
What's that?
Say again.
Q.
Q, what's up, man? I'm Jason.
What?
Jason?
Yeah.
Are you Big Name Duffy?
Who, what?
So I heard there's a Duffy here too. I heard I had to meet Duffy here. So
No, he's the coffee roaster, so he's not part of the.
My man, that's Guatemala Way.
Yes, sir. Right, man.
There's nothing but the Guatemala Way. That's
So he
awesome.
might be crashing a barrel
For
pit.
Huehuetenango, by the way.
What is it?
It's the region of Huehuetenango, which is Huehue.
Hue.
Right.
Oh.
We changed the name to Huehue because
course we
people
did.
just bought it more.
That's Texas now. We don't call that Way, bro.
Like the sales went up by 20%, calling it Huehue.
Hue, Tamango. Have you been there?
No, I have not.
No,
In
dude.
Guatemala. Guatemala.
So we got a field trip.
Yeah, we do.
I get excited.
Mission trip down there.
Yeah, definitely. We've got some opportunity there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other company I'm working with actually has missions going on in Guatemala.
Like Habitat for Humanity style, or just more like
similar. It's very like indigenous, working through a couple people that are, like natives. They partner with pastors and find
Doing that on purpose?
opportunities to
What's that?
You doing that on
meet
purpose?
needs, like,
Yeah.
in the community. and
No, I
share
just
the gospel.
wanted to get a workout.
that's actually pretty awesome, man.
Yes, the,
started for the first
beans
time
are
now?
in there.
So they got
No, man, we've been working hard.
And I'm kidding.
We've been working hard on these beans.
How's it going?
Good, man. Trevor.
Trevor. Heard a lot about you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember how we extracted
Yeah.
last time?
We had it on the forklift.
We just dumped it.
We
And then we suck them out.
we got this thing.
Yeah.
We had it on the forklift, and we just kind of like had it at the right height, and we're tilting it over. I mean,
That's on you today because we're busy.
yeah. So
It's the flavor of the wood are going to eat.
we can lift it. We got a bunch of big dudes that can carry it like nothing.
Yeah, Tim's the strongest one.
yeah, I
Goes
mean,
outside.
it's not full of whiskey, but yeah, having it on the forklift was helpful because it's like you can tilt it as
You extracting
need
it?
So
Yeah, he's taking the beans with him today.
You have I got the plastic.
The cleaner is over there.
we'll
So
pull a tiny bit out and just make sure before we pull it all out. But I just remember with that batch we took out a week earlier than the other.
not really.
Remember we took one out at 1 week and then we to check it out and then we came back at 2 weeks. So
You say so.
anyway, I've had it sitting that 1 week stuff.
Big difference.
I mean, but it's still good. I mean, for you, if the 2 weeks was pretty intense, especially as they sat.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this will be a good balance, but
We'll
because of the
see.
there's the different bean, you never know.
There's a difference
Are you
in.
thinking of tilting downward and holding?
Nah, we're gonna try to stick your nose in there and see what you think.
Woo! Mmm.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
You can
I mean, it doesn't smell like coffee.
Oh. Yeah, I think it does.
You think it smells like coffee bean, green coffee?
Yeah, I do.
Woo!
So we
I'm
good?
pumped up.
Good.
Yes.
All right.
Well, so we want to lift
Yeah,
this
we got the
over there. Take that over there.
take it down and then we'll
Tilt or
we'll roll it. Yeah.
don't put that bone back in.
How do we get our hands on some of that coffee when it's roasted and ready to go?
Next week.
That's right. Yeah.
Fresh.
We'll probably have some here,
Bro,
and then
smells.
on social media, we're kind of asking
All
people
right.
to let us know if they want to know when the pre-sale launches.
You don't want to miss this stuff.
Are you local?
I am, but I'm a bit of a coffee snob.
Oh, all right, man. Where you? Where do
Nod
you?
and sniff.
McKinney.
Okay, me too. Yeah, so we deliver out of McKinney, and so we'll be doing like porch drops the week before Father's Day.
Go to the forklift.
Bones
So
at the top. Yep. Bones at the top or stays at the bottom.
yeah, I'll send you a link because we don't. We're about to put the. There you go.
So I can find you. I see you, boy. Then I can take it there and just like we did with the apple brandy, lift it up on the forklift and
Because it's gonna be tough. It's all gonna bottle.
Yeah, if I knew he was coming, I'd bring a little shop vac or something.
Heck yeah, man.
Get him out of there.
What I can do is I can lift up the forklift and then I don't know, and then kind of just agitate it.
Don't be agitated.
Yeah. I would say just take it down. Let's roll it. We'll move the forks closer and then stand it up in there.
I remember, I mean, last time we weren't sure how much tar was gonna come out of there.
And there wasn't.
Hardly any.
Yeah, so we're good on that. So we can dump it right back into your thing.
Set it straight up and down. You think that'll fit?
Yeah, move the forks. Uh-oh.
Is that thing dead? So I think does it fit between the forks? That's how we had it last time, because then we could rock it.
Yeah, it will. You just gotta move the forks.
Oh, you have to move them in.
Yep.
Actually, look at this.
This one.
Just one.
This one to do twice the work. So pull it forward or pull it towards you.
Perfect. Good. I know it likes to splay. Does this need to lock in, or did you lock it in?
She's good.
All right. So put the.
I'm gonna have you, if you can slide this under.
So
I'll do this.
flip it 180.
Yeah, turn it this way.
That's 90. Do another 90. Yep. Now we'll slide it on.
Got it. Understood.
Keep it kind of near the.
Yeah.
Take my hand off.
And then raise it up a hair.
Yeah.
The benefit of that thing, but that thing's full right now, is that it gives us a wider. And I've got another one of these if you want to put another one.
So what we could do is we could put the bung back in, then flip it over, then take the bung out.
Money.
I'll go a little higher with this.
Okay. Boom.
All right.
That's great. I'm curious to see how, and obviously, so talk about the roasting when you, after it's, because it's green right now.
Right. Yep.
Like-
so within a week of pulling this out of the barrel, we want to get it roasted so it's not sitting with all that extra moisture.
It's a
Great
weird-
bunghole.
All right, go soft. Don't get me.
Don't put your freaking hand there. What's the matter with you?
I was going to ask you the same question. Okay.
All right. That'll be enough. So
We're going to do that just in case.
Yep. All right. You ready to do this?
Fingers on that guy. 1, 2. Let's slide it back. We good?
You want to
Drop it just a little bit. And you actually, we should be able to just tap that bung out.
Ready?
Yeah, see what happens. See how much we can get out that way. Let's start rocking it.
Here, I'll lower it so you don't have to do that.
Pop that in there real quick. Hold up, Tim.
You chew them? What do you do?
Nah, I'm just smelling.
Hey, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Come on in. We're not doing anything.
We do.
Dude, that
Smells incredible.
Yeah,
I mean,
it
from
is,
a non-trained nose.
it's filling the whole barrel house with the. You're gonna make it hard for Bob to do his barrel pick. All this whiskey smells like coffee.
Coffee beans, what you use to clear your palate after, clear your sinuses after you taste it. Okay.
Yeah, but not. You don't want to do it here. It's too strong. Like it'll.
You know,
Dude, I can smell it like this far away. Yeah,
Okay.
I love it. That's awesome.
And then roasting it on top of that, it's gonna be ridiculous. You ready? You good with it?
There's all the smells in here as well. So
Yeah.
If you want to step outside, you can. But you good
yeah,
on
no,
it?
we're good.
All right. Tim, that's good because I'm gonna have to get in there and move it around.
Oh, that's the money right there.
Dude, that smells really good.
Yeah.
And I'm not just saying that.
So
either.
the 30 pounds will yield like 24, and we'll do a little over 50 bags. So
8-ounce bag.
right. One reason, I was looking forward to seeing how it ended up by using this barrel a second time, which I think is going to work
I'm
really
less
well.
worried about the barrel
Yeah.
than I am because you said what about the beans? Like
Yeah.
there's not the other Costa Rican Jaguar had some
Yeah,
kind
the
of
Costa
film
Rica
or-
Jaguar is a honey process, so it has like a parchment on the outside that I was assuming would absorb more of the moisture, which I think it really did. It was
And then
it
that
was
roasts
pretty
out?
intense.
And this doesn't have the
This is a washed bean, which is harder. It's a firmer bean because of the process. It's cleaner washed, so going to be less of the outside stuff, and then so whatever's getting in is soaking in directly into that bean, which is a denser bean
Yeah.
because it's washed. So
So what I
we'll see.
Yeah.
lift up a little higher.
Uh-huh.
It's reached in and it's kind
Okay.
of packed on like that inside. So you're gonna have to tilt to one way and
Yeah.
kind of
Okay.
back and forth there.
Make sure the bunghole stays where it needs to be.
I remember last time we
Tilt it back.
weighed the beans obviously before putting them in the barrel,
Let's see.
and then we weighed them again after we took them out, and it added like 6%, 8% weight to it, and that's how much whiskey it absorbed from the barrel.
And there's no actual whiskey in there. It's just the whiskey barrel.
It's just in the staves. Yeah, it was
So
dry.
we want to tilt it.
It was
back
dry, and this one
see
we
what it's doing.
wanted to see how dry it was, so I put a half a bottle in and it drank that. Put another half bottle in and it drank that. So then I was done dumping my good whiskey in there. So you got a bottle of good whiskey that was in there prior to the beans going in, but it drank it
I'm
fairly
sorry,
quick.
but thank you.
Yeah.
There's a lot more. Tilt back
All
towards
right,
me.
let's do that.
Yeah. We'll let them. You can still taste it after that.
Method.
Yeah, it's working. There's a lot left in there. You kind of need a peek hole in it.
Yeah. All right, let's turn it again. Let's just keep kind of do that. That's gonna be a process.
Watch your side.
There's 4 total coming.
I'm gonna weigh this and see if out of 30 pounds where we're at. So we have an idea of what's left. Grab that scale and see. Well, I know the pounds, I guess are gonna be off now because it's absorbed moisture. Kind of give you an idea out of that 30 pounds where we're at. Looks like we're about 6 pounds off.
All right.